Do you know the different types of digital marketing? Let's find out in today's video and learn more about them. Many businesses are using one or more than one methods of digital marketing to succeed in their business. We have listed the top 6 types of digital marketing that you need to know to help grow your business. Number 1. Search engine optimization. SEO stands for search engine optimization. SEO is integral to digital marketing. It simply means getting your web pages to rank higher in search engine result pages. The primary goal of SEO is to increase website visitors by ranking high on Google or any other search engine. Unlike paid traffic, SEO is free and you get consistent traffic once you start ranking higher on search engines. Number 2. Pay-per-click. Pay-per-click or PPC deals with paid search results on Google. It involves bidding on specific keywords to garner your traffic. As the name suggests, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Pay-per-click advertising is a controlled, measured, and highly budgeted way of reaching your target audience. Number 3. Social media marketing. Everybody is on social media these days, and businesses are smartly using this channel to promote their products and services. It also helps in connecting with your audience and getting honest feedback on your products or services. No matter what your company is, social media should be part of your business marketing tactics. Number 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is the process of sending commercial messages to a group of people through email. It helps to keep your current customers informed about the latest developments in the industry. Number 5. Content marketing. Content marketing is the backbone of digital marketing. It adds value to the lives of customers no matter what type of content you create. Content marketing is a strategic marketing used to improve brand awareness, boost revenue, and many more. Be it a blog or images, content will remain king. Number 6. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a type of online networking advertising which includes influencers to endorse and make reference to your products. Many companies work with such influencers to create brand awareness and convert at least some of their huge fan following into profitable leads for themselves. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. For more videos like this, make sure you follow the Infidigit YouTube channel. Also, consider following us on other social media platforms for daily SEO and digital marketing content. Thank you.